Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. If you haven't seen my last video, please give a watch. Two-thirds of people in India live in poverty. 68.8% of Indian population lives on less than 150 rupees a day. Over 30% even have less than 88 rupees per day available. They are considered extremely poor. This makes Indian subcontinent one of the poorest country in the world. Women and children, the weakest members of Indian society, suffer most. Poverty in India from the village to the slum. More than 800 million people in India are considered poor. Most of them live in countryside and keep afloat with odd jobs. The lack of employment which provides a livable wage in rural areas is dividing many Indians into rapidly growing metropolitan areas such as Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore or Kolkata. There are most of them expect a life of poverty and despair in mega slums made up of millions of corrugated iron works, without sufficient drinking water supply, without garbage disposal, and in many cases without electricity. The poor hygiene conditions are the cause of disease such as cholera, typhoid, and dysentery, in which especially children suffer and die. The high infant mortality. 1.4 children die each year in India before their 5th birthday. In addition to Nigeria, Pakistan, the Democratic Republic of Congo and China, India is one of the countries with the highest child death, and disease as well as chronic malnutrition are the most frequent causes of death. Malnutrition. Not even a bowl of rice a day. India is one of the world's top countries when it comes to malnutrition. More than 200 million people don't have sufficient access to food, including 61 million children. 7.8 million of infants were found to have a birth weight of less than 2.5 kilograms, alarming figures for emerging market. Child labor. No time to play and learn. Although child labor for children under the age of 14 in India is prohibited by law, according to official figure, 12.5 million children between the age of 5 and 14 are working. Aid agencies assume that in reality there are many more, estimating than 65 million children between 6 and 14 years do not go to school. Instead, in order to secure survival, it is believed that Indian children contribute to the livelihood of their families. They work in the field, in factories, in private households. Lack of education. No opportunities without education. According to UNICEF, about 25% of children in India have no access to education. The number of children excluded from school is higher among girls than boys. Although women and men are treated equally under Indian law, girls and women, especially in lower social castes, are considered inferior and are oppressed by their fathers, brothers, and husbands. Without education, the chance of finding a living wage from the employment in India is virtually hopeless. Child marriage. The early end of childhood. In spite of banning minors from marrying in 2006, it is still underspread in many regions of India. The main leaders in this practice are young girls who are still children themselves and become mothers too early. Many of them die at birth. According to an investigation by the medical journal The Lancet, 45% of girls are still married in India before they are in legal age. Due to poverty, many parents encourage early marriage for their daughters in hopes of better life for them.